Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to create jokes using AI on WordPress. Under WordPress Automatic Plugin menu, click New Campaign. Select AI Articles as the campaign type. Set the type of jokes that you want the plugin to generate, like classic or political jokes. Modify the titles generation prompt to something like, suggest titles for jokes that are of type, keyword. Modify the article content generation prompt to something like, write a short joke about article title. Hit the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click Run Now. A new joke was created successfully. You can also generate a featured image using AI that matches the joke content. Enable this option to generate an AI image related to the joke. Modify the prompt for the image generation. Hit the Publish button. Click Run Now. A new joke was created successfully. A new joke was created, and the featured image was generated using AI. You can set an update interval starting from 1 minute, and the plugin will try to add a new post every update interval. Thank you for watching. Plugin link is in the description.